Ladies and gents, in hopefully less than a minute, I want to explain to you why focus matters and why it's single-handedly the most important thing that will allow you to achieve whatever goal that you set in your agency, and why it is also single-handedly the number one thing that will hold you back from achieving your goals if you don't get a grip on it. Okay? So first of all, there's two types of people, generalizing here. There's people who go about their days focusing on a million different things. They focus on marketing, they focus on finance, they focus on sales, they focus on operations, they focus on HR, and they're spread thin. You know, they're all over the place. They're wearing a million different hats. And then there's somebody who is going to spend, let's say, 80% of their day working on marketing. Maybe they spend, 10-20% of their day working on some finance stuff. If you have the ability, which everybody does, to be on the right side of the screen here and put 80% of your time into one thing in the day, this is where serious results are going to start to happen. Because what happens when you move an inch in 6 different sectors is you really don't move anywhere. I don't know how to explain it other than, when there's those days where you're super productive and you just worked on like one thing and you didn't have any distractions, you got a ton of things done. Yeah, that's what you need to do every day for the rest of your life. You need to block off a period of time that allows you to go deep into one major sector of your agency. Let's call it marketing, sales, operations, HR, or finance, one of these major sectors, so that you can take it to the next level, solve whatever bottleneck needs to be solved. And in the process of you going about your days like this, you're going to make significantly greater progress than someone else who is trying to do, an inch here, an inch there, an inch there. It's a very simple, analogy to understand. So without further ado, ladies and gents, this is why focus matters. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so and leave a comment as well, or hit the like button. Any of these things will really help us grow the channel, but I really do want to hear your thoughts on this video. I respond to all the comments. I do my best to do it in a timely manner as well. And without further ado, ladies and gents, if you want more videos around how to help you scale your agency, go check out one of the nearly 300 plus videos on this channel that is dedicated to helping you start and scale an agency into the 7+ figures. Thanks so much for watching this, ladies and gents. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.
Hey friend, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to watch another one that's extremely valuable, I just selected it for you, and you can check it out by clicking it right there on the other side of the screen across from my face. All right, friend, enjoy. Thanks for watching the channel.